Okay, so good afternoon. सबका स्वागत है. इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के पीछे एक बहुत साधारण और बहुत एक सिंपल मकसद है. आपको ये बताने के लिए कि इस देश में अभी तक चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ पे एक कॉन्फ्रेंस कभी नहीं हुआ है. ऑल इंडिया मुकाम पे अभी तक इस इशू पे there has never been a conference. Sujismita Bose is the director of my foundation. She is also one of the finest counselors on child sexual abuse in the country. 6 साल हो गए हम CSA पे काम करते आ रहे हैं. लेकिन एक चीज़ जो हमने देखा कि पहली बात तो यह है कि बहुत कम NGOs हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं इस विषय पे और प्रॉब्लम काफ़ी बड़ा है. दूसरी बात, हम देखते हैं इस देश में कि not many people ever get together, चाहे किसी और भी पेशे में हो, कि हम साथ में मिलकर क्यों ना काम करें. तो हमने फैसला किया कि हम पैसा खर्चेंगे और हम सारे जो देश के चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ काम करने वाले NGOs, संस्थाएं, एंटिटीज़ जो हैं उन्हें हम यहाँ पे बुलाएंगे और हर साल we will have this conference. So Suchi will take you through, लेकिन 16 और 17 तारीख को हर NGO जिनको हमने इनवाइट किया है 1 घंटे के लिए वो अपने पेपर्स प्रेजेंट करेंगे कि हमारा तजुर्बा कैसा है दिल्ली में, हमारा कलकत्ता में कैसा तजुर्बा है, हम क्या मेथड्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हमारे सामने ऑब्स्टिकल्स, डिफ़िकल्टीज़, कठिनाइयाँ कौन सी वाले हैं. और उसके बाद 2 दिन के बाद we will come. The idea is to sit together, compare notes, learn from each other. Kalki will tell you some statistics. Suchi will take you through the whole thing, so I won't steal their thunder. But the idea is let us work together. Let us build a culture where in this country we learn to work together. इसमें फाउंडेशन अहम नहीं है. इसलिए जब फोटोग्राफर्स बाहर फोटोग्राफ्स ले रहे थे और हमारे PR वाले ने कहा कि बैकड्रॉप पे ले लीजिए, मैंने कहा भाड़ में जाए बैकड्रॉप. It's not important. The important is the issue. Whether Suchi or Rahul or Kalki or I make it in tomorrow's papers, that's not important. But the fact that there's going to be an all India conference for the first time that I can remember on this issue, that's important. So thank you very much, all of you, for coming. I'd like to introduce to you Rahul Akerkar. Rahul, of course, is, in my opinion, the foremost name in hospitality and restaurants in this country. राहुल इंडिगो दिल्ली, टोट, नील वगैरह वगैरह बहुत से, दिल्ली में भी बहुत से उन्होंने रेस्टोरेंट्स खोले हैं. जब मैंने राहुल से पूछा कि हमारे पास ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है बट वी वुड लाइक टू हैव अ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, तो राहुल ने 3 या 4 सेकंड में कहा हाँ, आप यहाँ पे रखना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड we will do it for free. So Rahul, thank you very much. जब राहुल से मैंने पूछा कि उन्होंने पूछा कि प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किसके बारे में है, we said it was child sexual abuse. He was very, very happy to lend the place. Not only that, he's been a friend for many years and a friend of the foundation. He's come for all our fundraisers. So Rahul, if you just want to share a few thoughts.
Firstly, thanks for allowing me to sit up here. While I really don't have too much that I can do day to day for this, I can say that on behalf of our company, really, and for all of us there, that this is a cause that we all believe very strongly in. I think as a father of 2 girls, it's probably the most scary thing that I think anybody can possibly think about. I think the statistics of how much child abuse there is in our country and also worldwide. But I think, we're focusing on things here. And from what I've read and from everything I understand, you're looking at over 50% of young children are in some way or the other sexually abused in this country. that is horrendous. It speaks of a tremendously depraved society. And I think it's something that we need to address quickly and strongly, you know, and with like a great amount of determination. And if there's in any way that me or everyone in my company can help in this, we're happy to do it. And I also appeal to everyone out there to take a stand for this too, and to help however you can.
Thanks, Rahul. I think everybody knows and understands the place from where Kalki comes, especially in the last year. I've been seeing a lot of work that you've been doing through using your theatre, your presence, through your writing, and it's kind of an activism that you're sort of expressing through your art. And so I don't need to explain why you're here. Of course, we want to hear from you. But thank you, Kalki. Thank you for coming, because मुझे हर वक्त पूछा जाता है कि बॉलीवुड में कौन-कौन हैं जो असली the ones who really care. And to be honest, 10 years ago I had no answers, you know. But I think you are one of the foremost genuine, caring voices in the fraternity, and you make us proud. So, ladies and gentlemen, Kalki Keklan.
Thank you, Rahul, for getting my name right. Thank you for having me here. I think you know, it's as much important for me to be here as, you know, you say it's important for you that I'm here, because you know, I can't think of anyone at the top of my head who I'm really close to who's not had some form of sexual abuse in childhood. And I feel it is completely brushed under the carpet. It's an issue that we haven't addressed for, you know, years in our country. You know, the law was passed in 2007, I think, for child sexual abuse. 2012, yeah, so, you know, very recent. And I think that there are two main issues. One is obviously the law and the fact that, you know, there's not much pressure until recently, and I think that has a lot to do with HEAL, because you guys really went out there and drew up the manifesto and in a small way. So I think it's very, you know, it's a great thing that you're doing out there, but I also feel that a major problem that we have in our country is that it's a social problem. I mean, it is the fact that we do not have that trusting environment within our families or our schools to talk about these issues. You know, we have a tendency to just keep everything quiet, deal with it 10 years later, 15 years later, and rather than in the moment when it matters. I think the statistic of child sexual abuse in India at the moment is about 53% officially, and you can imagine how many people probably are ashamed to talk about it, don't want to talk about it. So 53%, I'm sure, is way under what it actually is. That's huge. That's more than half the country that's being sexually abused as children. It's a very disturbing fact. Yeah, if anything, I'm just here to put it out there that, you know, to put some confidence in people that there is a way to talk about these issues, that things are being done about it. I think this conference is a wonderful thing for the whole country to come together and share their experiences. You know, we tend to keep all our contacts, our experiences for ourselves. You know, we tend to be very selfish, and honestly, we can't afford to be on an issue like this. It's very important that, you know, we share knowledge, experience, and I think, you know, that's essentially why I'm supporting it. I think it's a great initiative. So I think you will be more professional, Shushmita, and tell us the details.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ चाह है एक। मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि everybody is born with a social consciousness. Then we grow up and we become socially aware कि कहीं पे कचरा नहीं फेंकना है, कहीं पे थूकना नहीं है, हमारे समाज में जो नियम है उन नियमों को हम कदर करते हैं. But very few people cross from social consciousness to social awareness to social activism. And for me, I love it. I love the causes I support. Children, communal harmony, secularism, women's rights. These are the three things that जब मैं कुछ करता हूँ इन मुद्दों पे तो मुझे कभी नहीं लगता कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ या ये मेरे इमेज के लिए है. It's something I'm passionate about.
No, I've never voted. I haven't, and I'm not voting this year. For me, what's important is that the government in power, whoever that government is, has to adhere to the country and not the other way around. I mean, you know, we make these demands on each party, and honestly, you know, I'm not going to make a comment on each party and what I have problems with. But the point is that whatever government does come into power, we have to make sure that government is not unreasonable. And we do that by always putting pressure, by being socially responsible and putting pressure on the day-to-day activities, and not, you know, once, you know, in these 4 years when the time comes. Suddenly it becomes a very publicized thing. It becomes a game, a political game where everybody's trying to throw tomatoes at each other, and it's very ugly, I find. And that's not real. For me, day-to-day interaction with your government, day-to-day pressure or you know, interaction or conversation is very important. And that's my philosophy.